can give us just a second, members of the jury.
Did you close out and log back in yet, or not
I
yet?
did, yes. More technical difficulties.
Give me a second, Judge, I'll close out.
Hmm?
I'll close out on my end. Let me see, give me a second. Okay, I renamed it 379, afternoon session.
All right, welcome back, members of the jury. Hope you've had a pleasant day so far. As I mentioned to you before, all the instructions that I give you are going to last till the conclusion of the trial. We did receive a note from one of you. I did share it to all the attorneys on both sides. We reviewed that. Now, it's important that you remember the instructions that I gave you. All the evidence that you get in this case can only come from within the four walls of this courtroom. That'll come in the form to you either through witnesses from the witness stand or other items that may come before you for you to consider. You and only you will judge the credibility of each and every piece of evidence that comes before you. You take all that evidence, you determine the weight you give every particular piece of evidence. You take the law that I give you, you attach those two together at the conclusion of the evidentiary portion of this trial, and then you will render a verdict. Now, that's something that you wait to make determinations until you get all of the evidence and you get all the law before you. Until that time, the instructions that I gave you will continue. Do not discuss this case with each other as it relates to the evidence in any way. The first time you discuss it with anybody is when you're deliberating after I've given you those instructions to deliberate. Then you go over those cases for the very first time and the piece of evidence for the very first time, whatever it is that you feel that you're lacking. At that time, you can only consider evidence that comes before you. So, you're unable to ask questions during this trial. You cannot ask questions of me or of the parties related to the evidence. You must wait to see what comes before you and wait to make your determinations, your findings, until you get all the evidence. Any questions of me? All right, with that, we were at the beginning of defendant's cross, is that right?
No, Your Honor, the state has not passed the witness yet.
All right, state your witness.
Good morning, or good afternoon. You are the same officer, Jesus Rojas, that testified yesterday about the events of June 22nd, 23rd, 2023?
Yes, sir.
Officer Rojas, if we kind of patiently watched through your body-worn camera yesterday, you were there at the very beginning, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you, I guess in the course of your duties that day, how long did you stay there at that crime scene?
I would say maybe about 3 hours.
About 3 hours?
Yes, about 3 hours.
And in the aftermath of the shooting that we heard, at least on your body-worn camera, is there a practice known as a round count?
Yes, sir.
Tell us what a round count is.
We have to show them our magazines and our pistol, firearm, and we have to they count every bullet that's in there.
And what's the purpose of that?
To see if you're missing any, if you fired any shots.
So who is looking at those things from the officers that were associated with the event?
One of the sergeants.
Okay. Is it part of the regular protocol there at the San Antonio Police Department that when there is a police-involved shooting, that a sergeant conduct a round count of the various officers that were there.
Yes, sir.
Was that done there?
Yes, sir.
And did you fire any shots the entire time?
No, sir.
In the entire time that you witnessed the events as they unfolded, did you at any time believe there was an exigency to enter that apartment?
No, sir.
And tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what an exigency is.
It's so I can see it gives you it lets you enter a residence to stop it lets you enter a residency without a warrant to stop a serious bodily injury or possible death.
So what kind of things in your training experience warranted an exigent circumstance?
If somebody's in danger,
If someone's about to get hurt?
yes, somebody's about to get hurt.
How about if evidence is being tampered with or destroyed?
Yes, that also it lets you.
How about if the offender is about to escape?
Overruled.
Can you repeat that?
Oh, how about if the offender was about to escape absent your entry?
No.
So in your evaluation from that, in your time there from the beginning to the end, you personally didn't see an exigency. Is that what your testimony is?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the jury what a criminal trespass is?
It's when somebody's on your property without your permission. You want them on your property.
Does a person who is on property without permission have to be given notice to depart?
Yes, sir.
And when a person doesn't have authority to be on someone's property, is it unlawful when they've been given that notice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We watched your body worn camera, and there was a second officer arrived at the scene. I guess in the minutes after you did. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
What was his name?
Officer Ramos.
And did Officer Robert Ramos also have a body worn camera on his uniform, part of his equipment?
Yes, sir.
And would he have been under the same obligation as you to record this event?
Yes, sir.
State would offer as State's Exhibit 7, the body worn camera of Robert Ramos.
Objection to.
Admitted.
Okay. And we'd like to publish that, Your Honor.
You can do that.
Hey, lady, get over here. Get over here. Hey, listen. Come get your dog. All Alright, Melissa, come here. Where did you put the wireless? Huh? So she put the wires over here on the side, all the lines. And, so far from my, but she's, I think this is the DVD, but. Huh? Yeah, let me go real quick. Alright, we guys can go to the shelter, alright? You're what? What?
Your Honor, I want to make a point for the record, if we could pause it. For the record, the state has represented to the jury that they wanted to play Ramos' video in its entirety. What they're doing right now, what they've done about 4 or 5 times, and we're paused at 56 minutes and 28 seconds. What they've done is they've skipped forward several times, and they're not playing the video in its entirety. I believe there are things that may have been said or done by Officer Ramos that may have been skipped over. I just want to make sure for the record that what's played before the jury is not the entirety of the video.
Now, you will have an opportunity to cross, and that's for the benefit of the record as well. State?
Can we just continue?
Yes.
Housekeeping? Housekeeping?
Mr. Rojas, are you familiar with a term called de-escalation?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by de-escalation in your business?
I don't think the mic's working.
I'm sorry?
I don't think the mic.
Oh, the microphone isn't working. May I approach you?
Yes.
Let's take a look at it. Let me give you another one. Try that one. Thank you. What is meant by the term de-escalation in your business?
So it's a form. We pretty much try to, you know, it's I guess we try to not. So you just try to keep somebody calm. Pretty much, you do whatever you can, try to keep them calm. So that way things don't get out of hand or start escalating. So you know, you could verbal or anything just to try to keep them calm.
Is that a technique that you employed in your first meeting with her?
Yeah, yes, sir.
And the actions that we're seeing from Officer Ramos, would you say that's in line of de-escalating the situation?
No, sir.
I'm sorry. Melissa! Melissa! Trying to see what's up. I was trying to figure out what it was. Huh? Can you identify them? Melissa! Again? Wait, is this one hers? looks right here. I don't need a warrant.
You need a warrant.
It's Fresh Pursuit.
No, you need a
Melissa,
warrant.
come talk to us.
No. I don't even talk to you.
Are you even Melissa? Are you a gang member?
Do you think I'm a gang member?
You look like a gang member.
Whatever, bro. Whatever. You don't got no jurisdiction. You ain't got no warrant, so leave me alone.
Does it say PD, ma'am?
You're harassing me.
Melissa, come talk to us about what happened.
I'm done.
Are you?
Yes, I'm done.
Come talk to us about what
I'm
happened.
not gonna get arrested for falsification.
Falsification
But
for
the
what?
whole world is watching.
Okay, so who exactly are we talking to? Is your name Melissa?
Did I stutter? Everybody knows my name.
I don't know your name.
Everybody knows my name.
What's your
including
name?
Old County.
You live in Bear County.
I live in San Antonio.
Melissa, come talk to me out here.
I'm not coming out. You ain't got no warrant, you can't come in for me.
That's all I can do. am I continuing right now? I'm like, yes, you are. No, man. Just check out my phone. Yeah, cause you have anything in mind, or no, just come over here. I'm talking to him over here. And that's why I took her over there. And then, I guess. I tried kicking down the stairs one time. It was hard. Yeah. Yeah, it's a misdemeanor. I mean, anything left here. Yeah, it's a felony. Yeah, if it's a felony. They don't want to, they're not gonna let us take on or get her out. Yeah, that's why I said, come over here, I'll look it up, see what it was. But all I saw was misdemeanor. I didn't see anything that far, but I didn't know. Yeah, like, wow, I'll eat beer. That's just crazy. I'll eat beer and then I'll just beer on that. You ever watch The Office? You know when he does the prison talk? Yeah. When he puts the bandana on? Like no one's had a break all day. It's been like this since we signed on. Yuri got or Yuri, the first thing that pops up on his.
Record, we're advancing to 115.
And I know they did their case the way they wish, Your Honor, but I want the record to note that they stopped playing at 107.47 and they've skipped to 115.29.
On Friday. I know for us, once we all leave, sometimes it's busy, but a lot of times it's just chill, steady. Yeah, she's here.
So ours is in the apartment complex up there. So tangerine, the fire alarm, prostate up there.
Yeah. She's there.
Would you like she's right here?
No, I don't know you.
You said you know me?
No. I said, what's your name?
You already know.
No, I don't know your name.
You already asked me that a couple of minutes ago.
No, he asked you your name.
You wasn't paying attention?
I wasn't here. I'm trying to figure out what's your name.
You already know. Everybody's watching me on here.
Ma'am, I don't know your name.
No, I paid attention. I was like, I see the beam. I see the beam was dark. When she comes out, bro.
Gotta have fun. Gotta have fun.
I'm like, what the hell? That's all I think of.
That mine's bigger.
Yeah.
Take this and mess up. See everybody?
Who's all in there?
Don't worry about it. Everybody's like the same stuff I'm asking you now.
Are you talking to yourself, ma'am?
No, I'm not. I'm talking to you.
But there's no one inside that apartment.
There's another person. So you look at yourself, make yourself look stupid.
Prove it.
I don't want to
Show me.
You're harassing me now.
What do you say, ma'am? Do you hear voices in your head, ma'am? Are the voices talking to you?
She got mad. She got mad. It's not about FBI and all, you know, like, after they started doing I get offended when people ask me that. I go, I'm just asking you, get medication? No. Or you prescribe medication? No. I get offended when people ask me, I'm not crazy. I'm like, yeah, I'm just asking you a couple questions. That's why I told you, come over here and clean the walk with me. Yeah.
That white Chrysler was like driving all fast to me.
Oh, what?
The red Chrysler that pulled up like right
Oh, yeah,
before
yeah.
that. It was like driving like fast like through the complex. I thought it was stolen. Ma'am, are you diagnosed with any mental illness? You take any medication for a mental illness? Are you schizophrenic? Bipolar? You hear voices in your head? You want to kill yourself? You want to kill anyone else? Man who lives in 3102? Do you suffer from any known mental illness, ma'am? Well, the voice is telling you not to talk to me, ma'am? Do you need your medication? Have you taken any? Do you need to talk to a psychiatrist, ma'am? Or mental health professional? It's okay if you need help, ma'am. We're just here to help. Do you see things that are not there?
You know what initiated the reason for the body worn camera being turned off there?
Excuse me?
Do you know why his body worn camera would have been turned off there?
Probably the end of the call.
Calls for speculation of the state of mind of another person.
Right, so the question was asked if he knew, so I'll
Yeah.
overrule.
The question is if,
The answer would be based upon why Ramos turned it off, and it still would be speculation. State
Not
of mind.
automatic. Depends what the answer is. It's overruled.
I mean, I would guess he turned it off because it was the end of the call.
it's the end of the call,
Yeah.
and is,
So the witness said he guessed, so he doesn't have personal knowledge.
when you were watching your body worn camera yesterday, okay? Was it turned off about that same time?
It's about the same time.
Okay. And what was the reason why you turned off your body worn camera?
It was the end of the call.
Okay, and why was it the end of the call?
Believe he, Officer Salinas went and told me he was gonna just write up the criminal mischief report and list her as a suspect.
Write it up as a report, move on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And, was it your expectation then that you were terminating this call for yourself here?
Yes, sir.
Go to the next one. From the time that Officer Salinas showed up at the scene, who was in charge of the scene?
Officer Salinas.
Okay, and who was Sergeant Salinas' supervisor?
Excuse me?
Wanna go with that? You wanna go with that or?
I'm gonna object to the mischaracterization of Officer Salinas as a sergeant.
Alright.
So when I said that, I said, do you know who Officer Salinas' supervisor was here at the scene?
Sergeant Flores.
Sergeant Flores,
Yes, sir.
the man you identified yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just hit that. From the time that you turned off your body worn camera and the time Officer Ramos turned off his body worn camera before you turned them on, was there anyone watching Melissa Perez's apartment?
No, sir.
Is anyone trying to get in?
No, sir.
Had you discontinued that?
Yes, sir.
In fact, other than the initial 2 kicks on the door by Officer Ramos, was there any other efforts to try to get into her apartment?
No, sir.
And was there any intention on your part to do so?
No, sir.
And during the time that goes forward, when we see Officer Ramos, do you remember where you're at during this time that he's here?
Excuse me?
Do you remember who you're with and what you're doing during this time that we see Officer Ramos here with his position?
I was with Officer Salinas and the maintenance man.
Were there any other officers at the scene at that time?
No, sir.
Alright. Yeah. Judge, I'm gonna ask that they disable the pop-up that's been popping up on the screen, the news feed. So it's been popping up a few times. And the playtime is 01:37:23, and the news feed has popped up 3 times in the last 15 seconds.
Are you capable of doing that on this video? First of all, this is already admitted into evidence.
It is.
So is this on the
This is-
video?
No,
Hold on a
it's
second.
It's in negotiating the cursor, Your Honor. If the cursor touches a certain part of the screen, that pop-up comes up. It
So-
has nothing.
I would ask the court to direct the state to disable that feature of their computer, cause I don't want it happening again, because it pops up newsfeed. And it's inappropriate, and it could cause a mistrial. So I'd ask that we take a break so they can address that and disable it, so it doesn't happen again in the rest of the trial.
And for the record, Your Honor, what it is doing is it's bringing up, I guess a link to, what is it, MSN News summaries, whatever it
Well,
is.
the news
So
summary
that's
has.
gonna cause a mistrial?
Has referenced this case. And I don't say at this time that it's intentional by the state, but if it happens again, and they don't disable it, then I think that it would be a mistrial, which would require dismissal.
You're able to avoid that.
We'll absolutely do our best, Your Honor.
I would have no clue how to disable that on a computer. State, do you know how to disable that?
We do not.
I would ask that they confer with IT to find out how to do that, because if it happens again, I don't want to have to move for a mistrial, but I think we'd be required to.
If it happens again, I'm certain that the state will not do it purposefully. I'm sure that they'll avoid that. We'll do it on the next break.
Yeah. Your Honor, to do our best, not to, we'll just let the tape run without cutting it, without trying to advance it and save the jury time.
Okay. We'll save the jury time.
Judge, I'd like him to advance it, I mean, so we can save the jury time, if he doesn't, if it's just gonna be sitting there, I mean, this is gonna turn into an 8-week trial if we don't watch it. We have 15 officers here and a lot of body cams. So I'm just trying to be mindful of what you told the jury and what we told each other for scheduling, so I don't mind, David, if you can move it along.
Despite that risk?
Well, we'll confer after.
Melissa!
ready to go? Alright. So you don't open the door, we're gonna kick the door down. You go here. Do you think open the door first? Melissa, open the door, or we're gonna kick it down.
You kick it down, and you're gonna go charge it again.
Alright.
You don't have no warrants. You ain't got no jurisdiction.
It's not big. The door is like right above. You want to kick it? You want? You're good. That's all you. You get one shot, get one shot. I'll go from there. No stretch first?
Come open the door. Hey.
You ain't got homework. Everybody's watching you. You see this in Melissa?
Melissa, open the door, Melissa.
No.
What's your rules? Melissa! Let me get you, Melissa!
I don't give a fuck. You're harassing me.
Wait, you what you do outside.
You're harassing me in my apartment.
You're gonna get tased.
I don't give a fuck. Take me.
340, she just gave me what's last.
Well, we just asked you to come outside.
Come outside, Melissa.
You're harassing me.
Oh, I don't want to push this. She's for that hammer. Okay.
Hey, everybody, you see this, America? The resident level one?
Melissa, come outside.
The way you turned on my window? I think this is Melissa, America.
Melissa, come outside and talk to us, Melissa.
Y'all want to disrespect me in my apartment, my property?
talk to you right.
Yeah, not video, just doing what it is. Run. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
You're arresting me for the apartment, you're trying to steal my windows out. You ain't got no warrant. Where's the
What's that?
warrant?
Hold on, let's.
You see this in there?
It's over.
I'm minding my own business, now you're arresting me. And Mr. Santos. So I need the light and the nursery? That's a damn shame.
So tired, babe. Come on. Let's go, everybody's down.
340, slow down. Never came into the apartment. Hello, continue on, slow down. Continue on, slow down, hang over. 15,
Me estás Alberta. No estoy haciendo nada.
I gotta like snatch in the middle of this. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Slow down, slow down. 1723 on south. 1723 to my friend.
Si te acercas de tu ventana, tienes control.
You speak Spanish? Speak Spanish? The guy's right here. Sounds to the guy right here. Is that like better than what's your?
They're watching. Not my first rodeo. You're gonna look like an embarrassment to the system.
Now you just need to calm down.
I'm calm. But you're harassing me and my opening. And my home by dropping my window and shining lights in the windows. That's harassment. You ain't got no warrant, you ain't got no jurisdiction.
Why don't you come out here and talk to us then?
Cause you ain't got no right.
I have no right.
You ain't got no right.
So,
You ain't got no right, you ain't got no work. To tell my window on my door down or touch my door.
Yes, sir, all of that calls and also take on nothing. He is all right.
come out here and talk to us, Melissa.
Okay, continue on, slow down.
Melissa, come talk to us.
No?
Window not open. So, I guess it's felony, criminal mischief, and, up to Sarge. She could have all the wires to the alarms, right? Like, slamming the hood. They're kicking the doors, came out.
They're kicking the door with the
You wanna come out here and talk to me? You got a
Oh
rail?
my God, man, you got my Jesus picture there? You're disrespecting my home. You ain't got no warrant. Go get a warrant and let's go.
Can you just talk to me right here? What's going on?
They
What?
already shut down my windows and they're harassing my opening on next door. We're being harassed by you guys and everybody's watching.
can't do that about my ear. Come talk to me.
Oh, president attorney. You kick my door down without no warrant. Everybody's watching you all over America.
Melissa, come out here and talk to us.
No.
Mike is like,
You already did.
that's not a warrant. She committed a felony. No, she said, no, we tried to kick out the warrant, but we can't. We tried going, we tried that, and she started throwing, like, she started that, and she grabbed the hammer.
With the hammer. Not even, you have a hammer.
Yeah, because you tore my door down with no warrant. You don't take somebody's door down without a warrant. There's protocol.
We need to check it. You check it?
Yeah, you're harassing me and my family. Look at all of you guys. You look ridiculous. But you're harassing me and my family. You wanna talk to me? No, I don't wanna talk to nobody. You need to leave and leave us in peace because everybody's watching you. Everybody's watching you on camera around the world, on national TV. You jumped that? That's fine. You're done. That's fine. They already watch us. They already watch us, man. They're watching us. I know. They already do. So it's like they want them for my door down and shine the light on the building and everything else. That's fine. Alright. And they dropped my screen. Exactly. Okay. So you're harassing me.
I'm Sergeant Flores, San Antonio Police. Are you gonna make things more difficult, or are you just?
No, I didn't make them difficult. Do you have a word, Sergeant Flores? Do you have a word?
I'm asking you, are you gonna come out for us, or are you?
Do you have a word?
I'm not here to negotiate.
No,
Can
do you have a word?
No, we don't. We don't need a
Okay,
warrant.
so you can't come in.
You assaulted one of my officers?
No, I didn't. They assaulted me.
So, I'm gonna ask you one last time.
They
Are
assaulted
you gonna
me.
make people accommodated?
They assaulted
Okay,
me.
that's what I asked you.
They assaulted me. They assaulted me.
That's what I'm saying,
Yeah. The only person that's in there is old man named veteran.
Oh, there's somebody else in there?
Yeah, this old man.
Okay, what about the screen ones?
They're all they're screening the windows.
Okay.
They're not glasses are down.
We can work on it. Yes. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, let me just,
We miss you.
Let's see Bartana. After I break them down, so that's what I'm saying.
You're trespassing.
Just get back.
You're trespassing. You ain't got a warrant. You ain't got no warrant.
You told what you got, Maria? Yeah, Lois, are you able to jump
Like,
back?
I don't give a fuck. You ain't got a warrant.
No, because we can't get here. So thanks. Jump now. Now. Jesus, guys.
You ain't got no warrant and you're arresting me and
There's
my
no point in tasing her, bro, because how are we going to go hands on?
Yeah,
No,
that's
yeah,
comes back.
that's fine. The doors open? The doors open? I was trying to pay that phone back. This door's closed.
You unlock it?
Yes, it's on.
You ain't got no warrant. You ain't got no warrant. You're arresting me and my family. Something like that.
Shotgun. Less people. You want me to ask her? He's gone. So you said.
There's some discussion on the video of a shotgun, right? Can a shotgun be converted into some kind of less lethal force?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe that, how that works?
There's actual shells, the shotgun shells that's lethal. They shoot off beanbags.
So you can load a regular shotgun with beanbag shells?
Yes, sir.
And what happens if somebody is shot with the beanbags?
Pretty much hurts them. Try to disable them, kind of.
On the continuum of force usage with the San Antonio Police Department, is it considered non-lethal force to shoot somebody with the beanbags?
Yes, sir.
Hey, she was in the home alone, right? No, she didn't. It's a vision.
God bless you. God protect what's coming to you.
What's your name? What's your name?
You already know my name.
I know. I wasn't here, so what's your name? We're asking.
Melissa Perez. My name is the one who's been harassed for all across America.
Miss Melissa, do you want to come on and talk to me?
Because I'm gonna go to the place and I don't know the way it works.
You said you told me you don't know your address.
But they tore my door down without the work. They
Huh?
tore my window down without the
Why
work.
don't you tell me why I'm here for right now? Can you tell me why?
Because they're tearing my door down and they're making accusations that are in.
Okay, but what did you come here for in the first place?
So why did they tear my door down in the first place?
That's what I'm asking. Why are we here in the first place? Why did officers come to this location in the first place? No. They tore the door down once they were already here. Okay, I'm asking what happened before that made them come here.
I was talking to the fire department.
Okay, all right. Okay. So let me talk to you about this, okay? No matter what happened, okay? Whether it's whatever happened, okay? No, but listen. But listen, okay? It doesn't negate the fact. Okay.
Listen to me what I'm telling you.
I heard what you had to say. Okay? So if you're getting harassed by him, why don't you take off from the streets?
And you think that's right? You think that's respect? They have a point to tear my door down. It's my window.
Officer Rojas, kind of at this point in time, do you have, based on your training and experience, enough information to persuade a judge through an affidavit to get a warrant for her?
And that calls for, beyond the scope of his knowledge, he says he doesn't have the expertise, that he doesn't do that, patrolmen don't do that, detectives do that.
Right, so if you're able to answer that, and you heard the objection, if you're unable to answer that, then just say that.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know if you have enough information to get a warrant?
No.
You had mentioned in your testimony earlier that you have a mental health unit,
Yes, sir.
and at that time, there was a mental health unit,
No, sir.
like in the daytime.
The daytime.
Correct me if I'm wrong, that's why I understood from your testimony.
Yes, it's during the day. During the day.
During the
Uh,
day, there's a
Yeah,
crisis unit.
I'm not sure exactly what hours they work, but they weren't working on dog watch hours.
Okay, so this is dog watch hours here.
Yes, sir.
And if a warrant had been issued for her and the crisis team was available to assist, could it have been done that way?
Excuse me.
Could it have been done, the execution of a warrant at a time when the mental health crisis people were available?
If they went, if they issued one for emergency detention, I mean,
But come back at another time,
yes, sir.
right?
That's my issue.
That's your
You
issue.
need a warrant,
I
and you don't got one.
think you're a little bit wrong on that,
I
but
think I'm very right on that, I know my law.
I don't think you do, but.
I know my law.
Okay, what section of the law is that?
What section of the law?
Yeah, go
What
ahead and tell
section
me.
of my license?
Oh, the section of your license.
That was it right there.
But you don't
Take
have a
another
warrant.
vacation.
You cannot say that if you got a warrant.
That's not true at all. Okay? So I'm asking you to come out and talk with us peacefully, okay? Okay.
I don't need to talk to somebody who stared my door down and arrested me and killed
Well,
me.
I didn't tear your door down, I just got
Standing the
here.
light in his face along with mine, and then turning my street door. That's what happened.
Okay, so would you
Why
like,
the police?
so would you like to come out and talk to us?
No,
Okay. So you're gonna make us go in?
you don't have a warrant.
I don't need one, I've already explained that to you.
And I'm explaining to you, you need a warrant.
Okay. Well, we'll see what the judge has to say about it, okay? We'll figure it out at that point. Well, like I said, one way or another, what's gonna happen is gonna happen, okay? I'm trying to explain the law to you so that this doesn't go, so that this doesn't escalate.
So before this has to be complicated, can you please just tell us so we don't have to get in our Why not? So it's gonna happen regardless.
What's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen? Tell us what is gonna happen. This isn't false, it's something you're doing to the officers.
We're trying to be very patient and very prudent.
Yeah, are we ready to go? You want me to draw it back or just go in? Are they at the door or where are they at?
From the view that we see here on the camera, where is Officer Ramos standing?
The extra bedroom.
Okay, is this the bedroom where the old man is, or is this another bedroom?
It's another bedroom.
From this viewpoint, from that bedroom, you looked into that bedroom, did you?
Yes, sir.
Was anybody in there?
No, sir.
What was in that room?
It was just a bed and furniture. I'm not sure exactly what was in there, but
But the room where the old man was, is he the next window?
yes, sir.
Okay, are there any officers stationed there looking after him?
No, sir.
all together.
There's a guy in the bed over there. Hey, Carlos, hey, give us some medical stuff. There's the rest of the Hey, bro, just cut it all.
Anything out there?
Cut it all. Cut it all. That guy?
Good? Yeah.
Did we check the rest of the house?
Everything's all good? Everything's all good, sir. Okay. We check.
I wanted to make sure. Yeah, I got one right here. Top and down. Something like that. Hey, B, give me those scissors. Right here, to the chest. I got one under the arm as well, looks like. Yeah, she's from under the arm. Okay.
He's going on outside.
Here, bro, this is gonna get tight.
No, it's
broken. However, bro, this got one. Okay. They broke it when they kicked it. I guess that's what they were kicking. Yeah, I just tried frying on it. So I know we got one under the armpit, we just put a chest on the one on the back.
We got a
She's
primer?
gonna have one that looks like an exit to her breast, to her pump breast. Looks like it's gonna be the exit to this one. No, I think we got rid of everything, man. Doors open.
about you must go do we have apartments behind this one? Or anything else back there?
I think so. I'm not entirely sure.
Sarasota Police Department. Sarasota Police Department, we're just making sure you're okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Is there anyone else who all lives in here?
I'm sorry?
How many people live here?
5, 6 people, yes.
Okay, we need to make sure everyone's okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can we make sure everyone's okay? Can I make sure everyone's okay real quick?
Yeah.
Just make sure, like, because something just happened right now. I'm just trying to, I need to make sure, I need to see, make sure everyone's okay. Is it fine if I come in?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
One's asleep right now.
Sleep.
Yeah, I just checked on her, she's fine. I was. Is it any voices from outside?
That's what we're making. Everyone that's first one.
Okay, do this. Check the one behind the
Sarasota Police Department. Sarasota Police Department. Mr. Reyes.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a key?
For the older apartment, not for this one.
This one?
This one, 1901, yeah.
This one's the one right directly behind. It's 3104.
3104. Let me go and see if I can get the key for it.
So this is the one directly behind 3102.
Oh, okay. Do I need to report something to my superior?
Probably, yeah. Not right now, but I just need to make sure everyone's okay here because the bullets went this way.
Oh, okay.
So I need to make sure everyone's okay.
3104. Let me go and get that.
SAPD! Antonio Police Department. San Antonio Police Department.
And we'll stop this here. One of the other officers that arrived, that showed up there at the scene, did you know most of them or all of them?
Some of them.
Okay. Did you see Officer Jonathan Salinas there?
Yes, sir.
And he had a body worn camera on?
Yes, sir.
And Officer Vince Gomez, was he there?
I'm not sure.
You don't know Vince Gomez? Officer Maria Salinas,
Yes, sir.
she was there, did you have a body worn camera on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. State would offer what's been marked as state's exhibits 8, 9, and 10, the body worn cameras of Officers Salinas, Jonathan Salinas, Maria Salinas, and Vince Gomez. Sorry. Jonathan Salinas 8, Vince Gomez 9, Maria Salinas 10.
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, 1 second. And Judge, we have no objection to this. The only concern I have is that they're gonna try to play all these through Officer Rojas. I mean, obviously they can call these people to the stand. We want these in also. We have Salinas' video that we were gonna ask them to let in. I'm assuming this has both parts, like the stop and the start again?
Yes.
Okay. But I'm sorry, David. My only concern is that if we're gonna go through this exercise through Officer Rojas, or I mean, I'm assuming they're gonna call these people to.
I am not.
You're not gonna call these people?
I'm fixing to pass Officer Rojas.
So I have another issue. I don't mind discussing it in front of the jury, but I don't know if you want us to approach the bench.
Members of the jury, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a short break. We'll let you know when we're ready.
All right for the jury.
If you haven't got your tickets validated, then I'll give you time.
Please be seated.
All right, I stand here.
Can I just this? Can I just this?
Um,
Down.
we have issued subpoena